self-made billionaire. You can check their downloads and rating, and you can install on your devices, and you can play this game, and you can get the benefit from it. This is called a new character, which is Gobi character, guys. Here introduced in this gaming project, and I will show you in the game also this new character, which is package where users can be guaranteed a Gobi for 3,000 diamonds. It can be earned during May 19th, June 2nd. So you can see, and you can see the star levels, how much you level upgrade your level, and how much the skills effect you can got, how much the success you can got. As you can level up your stars, you can get the more success, guys, you want. Now I'm gonna show you the gaming character. Guys, here you can see I am opening the game and starting the game, and here I am introducing the character which are introduced by this game. The new character, the Gobi, the less told, the more Globin, guys. You can check it out. This character has been new character in this game. You can check the cost, you can check the PR, you can guide level up yourself, and you can upgrade yourself in this amazing gaming project. So you can check their star level, and you can upgrade your community, guys. So this is the new interesting character of this gaming project, the Gobi character, guys. And many things more about this amazing gaming project. Also, you can see this amazing self-made billionaire stock game project. There is a pledge system, the long requested system that can widely divided and sharehold as the paid if the pledge target price is achieved. We hope this create more dynamic shareholder communications and return policies. There is something interesting that once the target price is set, guys, you cannot be changed until the pledge is completed. So you can, once you set the target, you cannot change. And also there are some more interesting information, like they have the dividend currencies, like they have gold, diamond, and coins. And also they have the dividends are distributed proportionally based on the shareholding, means the rounding down. Once the set, the pledge cannot be deleted, only additional funds can be added. If the target price is not met, the dividends are fully refunded, the 0% fee also. And also only diamonds and M coins can be pledged during the week of 4 each season. The target price will be displayed on the stock graph screen. So there are here some informations of this amazing pledge system, so you can keep in your mind so that you can get benefit rightly from this right platform. Here in the game, I am going through the stock, the pledge, dividend pledge system, which is available in the game. You can see the exchange, you can check the dividends, you can see the list. Also, I'm saying earlier in my video that you, once the target price is set, you cannot be changed until the pledge is completed. And also you can the dividend currencies, that gold, diamond, and M coins. And also you can, guys, once the pledge cannot be deleted, only additional fund can be added. The target price is not met, dividends are fully refunded, 0% fee, guys. You can get to know the target price will be displayed on the stock graph screen. As I am showing you the stock graph screen, the target prices are showing on that, so you can see and you can check, guys, check it out, this information of this pledge, dividend pledge system, guys. So these are the information of the Gobi and the stock system. And now we're gonna discuss about the events of this amazing platform. Like they have the 7-day attendance events to the Mega Bond victory will take place. And also you can check for further details of this event notice. You can refer to events and you can check it out. You can see the event period May 5 2025, the Monday after maintenance, June 1 and 2025 Sunday, guys, it will be happen. And log in every day to receive the rewards based on the login day. And you can see the reward tables, here the detail of days and according to the rewards, so you can check and you can, guys, rewards cannot be claimed after the events end, so you can keep in your mind that your reward is according to the events, you cannot claimed after it ends shop. And also you can check the events as I described earlier. You can get the information of events, the daily ranking, the mission, and the 28-day attendance, the level up package, and the first purchase. You can check out every information about the event, so you can get to know the daily ranking, the day 7 cycle. You can check it out. You can see the day 1, the hero level up gold. You can see the day according to the day, the information and the system has to be changes, so you can check the daily ranking and you can be the part of this interesting daily ranking event of this self-made billionaire amazing gaming project. So this is all about this gaming project which I describe and I show you in my video, guys. So here you can definitely benefit from it. And the further remaining things you can see here, the developer notes, the basic guides, the company guides, the hero guide, the stock guides. These you can open it up and go to this amazing informations you can get. And also you can check the stock impact system, the legislation guide, the season and the gaming strip, how to acquire the building parameters, gold consumptions, the legacy strategies tips, and many thing more. You have to check it out, and also I will provide the video links in my description so you can go and click and read the more information you want. Guys, this is all about my self-made billionaire project. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, take care.